Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I am on my way to work. I'm on my way to work. Tell Jpac, a shower wife, that I'm on my way to work. I'm on my way to work. Yes, I'm going to work. I'm not going to wait for Jpac to pick him in the club. I'm not waiting for anybody to pick me in the club. A Jpac wife, I'm going to club in my 2024 Mercedes GLE, baby. It's 2024. Yeah, that's what women do. That's what intelligent women. That's what women that don't stand on the streets looking for in a your jobless man na ego na ego na page ya na etiri ya your beggy onya aturu ego lu onu gị na. You don't want anything. You're a public out now. You don't want anything. Yeah, I'm on my way to work. This is what we women does in America. This is what we do. We do it with dignity and pride. Because there is dignity in labor. We do it with dignity. What I go? So we can bring out almost 200,000 gazomoto. You what I go? Buy anything we have. Eh? You what I go? This is what a dogu women do. We don't depend on our shower when to pay us and when to carry us. I am going to work. I'm on my way to work. I'm not on my way to club. I'm not on my way banging out water. Look at where you're dancing and I don't know why people are calling me. Okay, please don't go that far. I am gonna dig more than that. Look at where you're dancing. So the pantambra. Oh my God, it a mess. You're a public wife, you're a public secret dancer. That call you Gabala or Tawago and Shebabu Peg. Queen focus. Hey, now the main reason why I'm here now. Listen, I will address Mbaka issue tomorrow. Bia? Jpac and the Bonnie lost son. Bonnie lost son, I know you are fighting so hard because of the 500,000 in Yerigi. I know Jpac is fighting so hard to cover the main issue, which na lie. The game I know I'm past you, Jpac. The game I know I'm past you. All this struggling, you're struggling to cover the main popo. It's not gonna work. If you not like, make gonna go tell Mbaka can they talk. If Mbaka reference me, it's not about him. But tomorrow I will make a video and address that video. There is no cause for alarm. Jpac, anything you are trying so hard to cover the trending Ikega game exam, any day, anything now you are doing to image this game is not gonna work. It will never work. Like, I know your plan. Keep up with Mbaka issue. Come back distract. I'm not lie. I will make the video, I will post it, and I'll continue. They ask you when you say you're coming to Nigeria. When are we examining your IK? That should be the bone of contention, guys. Don't allow Mbaka video almost a year. Getting to over a year. Udela is almost getting to how many years? You want to all the before the Laganga video made almost how many months ago, and you're coming to bring it to the timeline. You want to so make know they won't use this thing. Jpac, you sending a Bonnie lost son to go and send it to Mbaka team. A send there, Mbaka, you are addressing me. There is no problem. You can address me. After all, to tell you that I'm more dogu. You want to go? You see how you guys are panicking. You see how you guys are panicking, using every means to make sure that you guys cover this topic. It's not gonna work, oh. What I go? Please, it will never work. Jpac, the question of Mona Gimereko Kwabie, Nega Deme Pikegi, Examine Ikegi, why are you using this Mbaka old video? All the video that I made over how many months ago. The bone of contention now, why are you dodging from examining Ikegi? Why? So all these things, bloggers gotta be broke. They cannot. Nobody will distract me. And when any bagger get distracted, I am somebody. Imagine Mbaka to recognize one Oge. That means Mbaka have seen the video, and he was also explained. Don't worry, Mbaka. I will not apologize to you. You have to first of all apologize to Ebukobi. Yeah, I'm not gonna apologize to you. Any day you will stand up and say that Ebukobi is not an arrangement, then I will stand up and apologize to you. Because I was defending my daddy that I know that he's not an arranging man. I will address your video tomorrow. Shut up, Meshon Emmanuel. Shut up. Come on, shut your trash. Why would Mbaka address me? Why didn't Mbaka remove my name from his mouth? Eh? Tell me, Shani, who are you to tell me don't mention Mbaka? Eh? You won't yara when he make are you not? Mbaka address me, I'm going to address him back. Hold on, get the fuck out, Singapore. Hold on, let me go to that mistake. Come wepogi here. I should reply. Come on, reply on you. I'm gonna get a shower and when I'm time for rubbish. Come on, Singapore. Reply unegi. Come on, get the fuck out of here, son. Idiot. And then that water here talk by all means. Hatchog human now. Imagine him boy him got higher, I'm reply, man. Come on, get out. Come on, take it. Alice, I'll delete that, block that thing. Reply on you. Reply who? You want yara? Come on, get the fuck out of my platform, my son. Imagine. Pain, the reigning pain. Onya reply on the me. The reigning king of herself. That shit that you mentioned, that things that smell will flush out of the toilets. Come on, get that. Come on, Shinga voice. Come on, block all that thing. Delete that rubbish. Imagine. The trending queen, they choose the ones who got reply with the trending news. Come on, Chinga voice. Imagine. Trending queen, everybody wants to trend. Even a pona. Even in them when you batch up room, put up on a D. They want that pursued like a piece of chocolate. Imagine me. Imagine with the trending queen. Don't you know that I choose my fight now? It's like I'm one day when hang how relevancy. Mbaka will nukwe now. How would the madam can reply? I did away that I choose my fight now. So then I would how many bloggers, how many persons? Check Facebook around. No more reply on you. Come on, get the got 1 minute to reply. Come on. I know a very dark man. You know that he chose to reply to those that are important to him. Are you mad? It's just for me. In my head now, do you know what is it? Do you know the kind of calm inside? Eh? If I go to him now, eh? Even bad empanaka cannot even reply you. Even my Gucci cannot even reply shit. Eh? Imagine. Come on, get out of here, Isa. Are we my class? Come on, fuck out of here. Even go to go to na hotel eh? $500 cannot even reply shit. Come on, here for Isa. Dala. Even watch Mbaka self. Watch Mbaka self. Oh, now are you blind? Anatreno. Even watch him, man, I cannot even reply. You say, reply on you won't yara. You thought I'm normal. Oh, yeah? You don't need to be. Listen, now, opinion that. You know, I'm driving, I cannot see all these things. Can't close my mouth when I make a rest. Even watch him, man, I can say, for talk about them on email. You won't yara. Don't you know that I chose people to reply now. Get the guy making a downtown. What is going on? Hey, vanity upon vanity, but in I'm one every time now, Chego. Vanity upon vanity. Every 419, when I now pick up puta. You wanna know how to get like this? Vanity upon vanity. you like this. Vanity about vanity. Vanity. Talk on that when you cash your hobby. You are on your way asking everything will end in this world. You will not take it to heaven. Gamarashi poverty abalo je ka. Okay, I have this for you. Okay, my love. Gamarashi poverty. Oh yeah, wait, vanity. Okay, forget that. Alright. That animal. I'm time, huh? Eh? Watch Mbaka self never even reply. My diamond, how many carats Mbaka with it can never reply. Shake off voice. Fuck off. Dala, DTT. I query. I get reply the onye. Who? Come on, guys. I'm gonna reply Mbaka tomorrow. Yeah. Until the day Mbaka will apologize to my daddy Ebuka Obioshonawa Renji. By then I will come out and apologize to him. Because of Ebuka Obi video, Kamji made that video. All because of my daddy Ebuka Obi, Kamji made that video. So if they want, let them go and dig it out. And then Mbaka Elechana, how many more? Getting to a year now. If it's not even up to a year. This thing happened the last year. So they brought it out to cover. Jpac. Could you imagine? Now you want to use it and cover, and then Mbaka reply. Why would you even reply me now? Why didn't you reply me then? That you was even replying my dad that made me came after you. What I go? So please, after all, Mbaka, there was a time I defended you. Why didn't they bring that video to you? When somebody accused you, the talking about the talking about why didn't you? I mean, come on. You did not come out and say, oh, thank you for defending me. You worked so hard. Nah, I would video. That's it. And what I'm not replying. I'm not gonna apologize to you. Never, not possible. The only thing my apologies when you come out and say my daddy Ebuka Obi is not a rangy person. Simple. Case closed. I will reply you peacefully and I will tell you my condition as well. Nothing will happen to my family. We are blessed. Nothing will happen to my husband. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. After all, you have given us false prophecy. You have given us false prophecy. Now, and later on, nothing happens. So, Mbaka, please, nobody is God. I have my destiny that protects me. What I go? Nothing gonna happen. I have to maintain my stand. I am not apologizing to you. I am not going to do it with all my full chest, with your honesty. What I go? So, nothing can make me until you apologize to Ebuka Obi by telling the world you are the one that started this chaos. You started this chaos by telling the world, that was what proved. This is what you do for your master. I've done what I'm supposed to do, and I maintain my stand. I will not, Reverend Mbaka, I will never do that. I am sorry, with no apologetic about it. I am not going to do what you asked me to do in that place. If you wanted an apology, you shouldn't have listened to those trash that brought you those videos that I conducted over a year ago, almost a year now. Okay? So no amount of intimidation or coming to aggression grounds that will change nothing. Absolutely nothing. I will not do that. Lie. I am not ex-convict that come out and say that she's a lie. I'm not gonna do that. So all this Jpac and Indo to Yabaga so hard. Hagalaga post you know, Gaga post just that is not the bone of contention. The bone of contention with Jpac, we had an agreement and accepted the offer. You must come. Let's go and examine your ass. You know what I go? Let's go and examine your ass. So any video I stand by it. I bet the video one on a video. It's not AI. I cannot dispute that. It's me. But just I'm not rendering no apology. Lie until you apologize to my daddy. Yeah, apologize to Ebuka Obi and told the world. Sorry, and tell the world that what you told them before is not the truth. Simple. Case closed. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I will repeat it and I'll make the video, I will post it. Nothing will change my stand. I'm not a pushover. Lie. So Jpac, when are you coming so we can examine? I so thing you know, when you go walk on a go happen. But I want to get a club, but I want to get a club. So all these many men try to cover the topic. It's not gonna work. The message is still gonna be passing. You better respect it. Come on, get out. Come on, shinga for it. I may respect it. Come make it again. Aya, Otilo. Shinga for this place is not for you. I post a video, you guys can go there and call it, but when I'm live, respect yourself, I beg. This is a live stream. You dare not. What I go? So, point of call. You know, I'm actually video, I'm not a peek in down and down, I reply. No reply you. I did it worse than VDM. Chem Nigeria Lota. I'm a demo brutal. Cheremaga with the child and then pushing with and put things in order. Put chap people not gonna get room. I'll be worse than VDM. If you don't know, you better start knowing it now. I got people in there every day go my people. I will don't worry. I'm people who got me to when I get to Nigeria. Come on, Shingafa. Who is this one? Come on, get the fuck out. Come on, Jello the force. Get out. Get out. I will Mbaka mention him. What I go? Mbaka mention my name and that's it. Oshi, please, can I reply you? Reply you where? I'm a reploaded than more than VDM. Go and mark my words. Come back to Nigeria, meet and then push limit. You understand my language. Mbaka get focus and he focus. Obutena be reply Ogechi. The video mirror almost say yeah. Hey, what I go? Why is he replying me and expect me to come and apologize to what? I will not do that. Sorry. I'm more dangerous than VDM. There'll be a point you get tired of me. Trust me. And I'll be choosing words and them got replying and them I got reply. It is coming. Can I focus on the style? No, I'm who got me. I know it feels somehow, right? It feels somehow when I'm driving and I'll be, yeah, I understand. No, I'm who got me. I'm good. But thank you, so thank you there, yeah. Thank you. Yeah, I'm about it now because Queen just remember. I'm coming. Don't worry. Come down with the things I should judge. I come with you. I'm more bad now. My baby Anna. I can marry more bad than VDM. Yeah, I wouldn't be bido. Come lot of Nigeria. Can you meet teacher people who talk and be meet here? You know, and I call it. Yeah, people by the team. This never starts. I should reply you. You don't understand. I'm one of the dangerous things that could ever happen to you. People, when you get here, go people again. I'm about to give them a present here. What people in Nigeria, this is it. I got file a petition. So time, so this. Watch and see. I'm not like Nigeria for one particular thing. They crazy. So people not there from the Konya. Abelam Gonya, Leponya. That's the reason. That's I got all these people that VDM not like. Come on in America. I get my don't get no press there. I can get fix the my things. Come on, yeah, in Ashimu remove Mbaka. Mbaka addressed me. He haven't you seen the video? Okay, don't worry. Today I don't come 3 to 11. Before me make sure I go by 11 something. Don't worry. In my own I did very sensitive. Mbaka addressed me and I need to address that video back and I post it and move on. You want to go? So look at me, man, movie. People will be getting their money back. You can get me backbone. The Nigeria, I filed a case. And wanted the result of Zubo. Ime hu ya bia brugi. Things has to stop. And once they got potassium, oh, hi. Okay, I got porogi lekwa that Ogechi. Actually, I'm on many things. Actually, me lekwa onya we ya direct. If they happen, you go they play, you go they see them. Get chicken, abia oge urugi. This anaga. Ogechi Okeke, did you see the video Mbaka addressed me in today? In the video. Did you come across that video? Did you see it? Did you see that video? I must say something about it. You want to go? Okay, they are aware. So I'm coming more. And you know, any dream standby, because I'm not in Nigeria. Any dream standby people only will take case. Onya, I call log it out. If you don't want to bring the money or game maker, call log it out. Ana gaga. You want to go? So that is the thing. Ono chanamono ono ga no na this no. Ono go get okay. Mwa get ga ebu ibu. The main thing in Jalaga Nigeria lekpa ge lekpo onye lekpa mba lekpo nya. Yes, oya onya. But then the job baby does nke umbido. Ana akoeri. Ana akoeri ni tira. Nda na wata go di ya na Chineke God. I shall get. One na lie. That almighty thing say we no go touch am. Now we go dey touch am. I gonna share name more prayers. I can hate pot. I can name more prayers from here. Things are not them man buy. You want to go? Any kill. I file a case. You want to go? Anywhere problem, I file a case. That directs to the main thing. You want to go? Again, when people, and when the case, and you're supplying in Nigeria, and people will go there for free. Oh, I'm not working for free. I got file the case for free. Get one thing, I get for free. Because enough is enough. A lot of people are going through a lot. Yawure girl, a giant nike. Yawure boy, a giant nike. Because so got one thing. A putegi. You feel it? Abi a video. Post woya. The result. Again with the results. You want to go? So only la church ha damage. Ya pala. Unko lo lagi out to jiwayo. When I do this, jiwayo. So I am not going to get maybe. So in that I'm just starting. Okay, the more brutal. What in Nigeria better. Get the power away. So all these people now, I got no. All these things are fame. They are taking me to places. I just want you to understand everything that happened for a reason. Don't think it's what we bring get it down. This time, yeah, I just look you, they laugh. In Atakashi weze. Eze. Not Takashi. Hey, this one is your last draw. Akbagi and this one is your last. And I go here. You want to go? I got on with truthfulness. I get away people that will stand by in Nigeria. Hey, what I got, but you will not know who they are. Oh, more than I was it your operator here. Okay, they are aware. Then when he get baby, maybe. So for those of you now, Ogechi, you go pay me Ogechi, you go digbe Ogechi. This is just the beginning of the pain that is about to come on you all, Neymar. Okay, they go away. Hey man, I'm a very dark man. If you don't know, oh, me para mokwaranta. Oh, bakwaranta. Oh, menenka une channel get bring you down. And when also unu get me fupa me again. You all unu get me mune me chagomia. And when any other thing unu get me pam na this blue. Everything all unu get me mune popo chagomia. So what's more left? Oh, you been back a video, Chere? I will play it. In fact, I'm a post. I think I cannot function that much now. I will show you the video now. You want to go? I'm gonna address it. It's not a big deal. No insult, but I will address it to the right point. Mbaka will get my video and that man that I send it out to my page. What go? Because all these people Anna is beginning to, you know, is get the call that I received from somebody now on a EFCC, and the call encouraged me more to put more, and the people now on all these you know, departments. It makes sense because it is gonna stop. We need to put an end to it. What I go? You need to put an end to it. All this law our women into group and things has to be done. Michael, stop promoting anybody. I beg. You don't do that. You don't do that because I talk too much. Don't worry. Oh yeah, Ijoma, Jaboncha with one man. Oh yeah, get out. This place is not a place. I don't want to. Just somewhere. Okay. Am I doing it for fame? Which fame? Actually, they promote to me. Now they promote to me, but you can't get me walking at the wall, so I can. And the positive things. Positive things. Oh, every time I need to go and meet those necessary top officers that will handle some cases. And that I'm happy that when they got naka. You want to go? I'm happy that some responsible people that naka met up all my cases. The reason why MG wear problem at social media, and they will hear from me. You feel me? Many things need to stop. Many things need to stop. I get one of the people that would do this. You know what I go? So I wanna get Nigeria give me joy. Hell no. And one of them reasons. Things need to put in order. No more humiliating our people. It's getting out of hand. We need to put an end to it. I won't give up home wine in a group. You start slowing them to start sharing their news. Somebody needs to start it, and it's about time that I need to. Monday in a scam we go. My only woman I need to be jailed or you are abusing those children. You cannot be selling your nudes. Now I know here. You know, many things need to look into. So we're gonna have our team that will be operating with the people that will reason alike with me. Things must be done. Enough. Are we in many things, and action needs to take place. You want to go? Because the forces is about to come. You cannot be able to withstand it. It's the truth, I'm telling you. We need to put an end to Arrow. It's getting out of hand. It is too much. Okay, Bia. You're not doing anything. All you do is to lure women into a group in the name of family hardship in Nigeria. Ghana Erotoha. Happy God, that man. Happy God, you want to go? Happy God, that man. I go now. I'm more evidence. Why this? So please, I'll get a point where you're gonna be bringing evidence to me, because evidence is what I get. More evidence. You want to go? Many things will surface on this blue app, and I thank God for the intelligent team that God will provide for me in Nigeria. You know, where we're gonna be working together to make sure we put everything in order. We're gonna get there. It's just a matter of time. Again. You know, Shoni. I should hope. Can you prove how? Oh yeah, she up. Can Mbaka prove how Ebukobi is doing RNG? So anyone you said, if you can prove it, that end the case. I don't know why you're asking me stuff that you know that you yourself you cannot prove. Okay, I wish you well. Thank you, my love. It will end in glory. Uzana, 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 Uzana. Yeah, these people don't understand. They know they are gonna understand. Oh God, he called me booby. happened to me. Let me tell all of you. Some of my warriors that called me today, they were saying, "Sir, please. As far as it's war, people will always look for something to shut me down. I want you guys to know this. Anything that comes our way, we will fix it. It doesn't matter. You should go from presidential seat. We will also stand and defend ourselves. Hey, the weak in spirit. You cannot be. Those people, they are my warriors. They love me. They are concerned. But if you showing that weak in you, you are also weakening. And I'm like weakening stuff. Know that him no we who that I end up team Bantaya will look for every means to shut the game down. I want you to understand the psychological of this game. I want you to understand the psychological moves of this thing. Gina Madonna logo. Oga cho. You will all get able to destroy you. So those people that are calling me, please, don't tell me how to address anything that comes my way. And I want you to know that if you know everything that will make you, because so many hits back to back. That is why they went video minute almost a year now. Hagadi geya ta were nyendo to Mbaka beri kukuneluya. I'm gonna over 1 hour video. I copy half of it. Send that Mbaka. So Mbaka none of this technology do not remember that. Where is the full video? Why this short video? Madonna made that kind of video post where. So you can understand the game. Any also when you will stand to defend yourself because they will look for any means. That is how enemy fight, and that is how somebody pega. Blue and black, that's how they fight. So, don't call me to tell me, oh, yeah, that is the main purpose. And anytime you fall for it, that's the end of you. To be a hero is for you to stand anything that comes your way. No matter what it takes, you will face it. So, okay, they are aware. I'm trying to add this, and I hope you join. Thank you. Let me make this open. And when some DBS in then after I met this video, rest in peace. They started calling me from Anambra. They were mad. They had to hang to the man is spiritual. I don't do DBS, but I have no problem. But the man, I don't know why people are panicking. For me, yeah. Abrakaba. Anybody where they beat go cry now. And the bit of it me. I never start. I want more damaging information that I'm about to bring out. So you come I can see cause all game when those bad words be done up Jpac part of Auto One yesterday. Whatever video Mbaka post. Oh, these people, I don't understand. I don't understand. Come on, Jpac got shoot to the I get late today. You know, boss. Jpac part of everyone about that way. Go can go. Whatever video Mbaka post. Could you overshadow? Yeah, but I know well. If you guys understand the game, now Junior, weapon Mbaka video. You know, Ogechi Okeke what year? When did Ogechi conduct this video? Why now? Why are you guys bringing this video now? Video America on Mbaka who at that time Mbaka for that day, that's a year now plus video. Why now? When they make on use points, yeah, with the distraction, you know, say a Bonnie Lawson, a Brule Post, Jpac, another thing, the blog also. Biakwanu Bianuri, Ogechi Njaka Guru, na Lequanu, reply Mbaka. And I call it. What the go? And then I got adoration ministry. Because if you guys have access to Mbaka, go and tell Mbaka ke wejuoku. Yashina Sagapo, Saga Pasaro. I did not mention his name. The video was conducted almost a year now. Why are they bringing him here? Because they want to cover the main topic. In a lie. But that doesn't mean that we will not address it. So, so that doesn't mean that we will not address it. But I won't get me where address I'm so Mbaka tell him, say make him back off. This game has nothing to do with him. What did you ban you? And what when you put Songaya? They tell you the truth. And what when you Songaya? And what when you lot of Janashi Beyaga Pota? On your Asho Krobia Toron go to another one, Abiawa. Go lead to another one go meet you. Nobody be anybody. I just want you to know that. Just that we they give respect. Don't want to keep here in anything. Otan of it that the highly spiritual and when in the the more times 7 spiritual than him. I just want to let you know. So you know be more. Oh, what get away. Just want to clear the doubts. Maybe you know go come back to Nigeria again. Because any day, hold on. Sure, because any day you touch down, go touch. Come on, die get some million say so. Come on, come on, the sound pampas. Give me. Even I could serve. Come on, go and wash your busters. Oh, shish. Come on, go sign me. Handy got touch. It hand and I get a handy got touch. No. He owes. Hey, my person. Look at no verse because I'm called. You have information for me. Mbaka pass my papa. My papa pass Mbaka. Your own, my own. Mbaka pass my papa pass Mbaka. Your opinion and my opinion. We can't. Oh my gosh. My papa pass Mbaka. You say your papa pass my papa. I say my papa pass your own papa. So it's your own opinion and my own opinion. We are different. So I don't know why when you talk, I talk, you go the verse. You understand what I'm saying? So, okay, concentrate on Mbaka matter that is the thing. You know? That's what I'm telling them. Say, Jpac in a post to Mbaka lady, Mbaka video. Now today they do Now today they do that video. Why Mbaka addressing it now? Video match at that time, yana ga viral. None one them and when mother for I bury G cause be threaten. Now make nobody enter my trap. I don't make everybody day their day. Yeah, video me for you. Have you got into yes, Erulamon? Apakiala mo okay rubim jaga. The clock in, but few minutes now go they go in. I don't reach work. Walk, 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 walk. Yes, walk, walk, walk. Walk, 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 walk. I don't want to. We work. We are responsible. We go to school. We work. Especially America. I paruru here. We work, 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 work. My woman, please do give it. I don't get money. Okay, get emergency CEO. My rugged youth. Mbaka knows about MK. What happened? No Shaibu, in a Shaibu put away a lot of amume, Burebu, no talk, I put away a lot of amume, Burebu, make on respect to that favor. Now, Facebook cannot because any day way Facebook know the data for my matter. No talk, I put away a lot of prophecy. When no happen, make on make a start. I respect, I go away. Prophecy no want to make we day our day. I'm happy to hear from you. Thank you. I don't really Mbaka Nandi. Are you from Owerri? No, I'm from Anambra. I'm from Nnewi South. But my mom is from Owerri. India so dogu. Aye, walk. It would be again now. Yes, I don't know. I'm not. I'm not different animal. Yes. Mbaka is one of the people who they won't make me breathe outside. Everybody take their day. No, you're not about you. No, make a day by day. I don't know how to dig, man. When we start the dig, because I have a lot of members that like Mbaka. I'm just trying to be respectful. Oh. Walk, carry you go. Walk. You they walk. We don't they use our toto. Bed ni no where I'm a honey. Bed ni no don't know us. Bed ni no Abuja no us. Now walk no us. Jed okay smell ni shinegi. Gel they smell for your mama head do. Gel they smell for your mama head do. Your mama head the gel they smell do. Generation for Haponya. I got my best people with voice record. I'm asking me also again, man. Put the land nearest in peace. I'm asking me also again, man. I'm going to put another information. So, get me again. And everybody they cry. All of you, I love you, Oge. You are one man sport. The real Okalesia, I love you. Thank you, my love. Because all of you that are calling me, Mbaka is one of those who kept to Nigeria. I'm the back. Oh, make I day by day. I'm going to kids you. Hey, okay, you can give baptism. There is dignity in labor. Go to work, my baby. I am going to work. And yet, imagine if I need you here. Hey, my baby will give me. Oh, yeah, baby, can be Are you go? I don't touch any. Good luck. I have to tell them back about I go address them, I go post them. Make sure check my updates when I post video. That's what matters. Hey, what I go? You talk too much. Please try and rest. Please try and mind your business. I never complain that my talking is a problem to me. You can see Oge is looking healthy. I don't bleach. I don't make up. I don't wear fake hair. I don't put up a ring light before doing a video. I do not edit my videos for you to see me that I'm beautiful. I do me to know real life exists. Have you ever seen ring lights where I did? I know they do ring lights. Ring light no they do me. I know they edit video. I know they use those rubbish app. Now me you go they see read me. So please, know me for who I am. Oh, eh? Mbo beziri na ihe akpatara ihe akpatara na ego ga mata no kwen na majofuma. What I know they do fake life. And mommy ke shame ya. Beautiful. Okay, let him tell Matthias to apologize before you. We shall check update. Yeah, when I post video, when it drop, share, comment, share, comment, share. Comment, share. So, guys, Miss Beautiful Queen Ocalicia. Save waiting my man. Why am I then? How put that saying a chisom king? On his he just frustrated. That's okay, you can too much. More strength, baby girl. Because leave Mbaka for us. Make Mbaka leave me. Mbaka mentioned my name. I have a video about me. I feel you, baby. You carry grace. Almighty, yes, so. Anywhere you day, we day. Of course. Okay, 4 minutes to go. Hey, walk. Make me go. Come, I didn't. Hey, walk. No, make it even. Walk. That's my walk. EGLC, EGLE, baby. Hey, walk. Walk. That's walk. Thank you, my love. CEO US based, my baby. When no hedge, man, I never walk. Look,